Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is on how to make this beautiful satin ruffle headband. This can actually be achieved with any fabric of choice. It all depends on how you want it. And now I have my fabric cut out. I'm using satin for this project and I have it cut out with the measurement 60 inches length by 8 inches width. With the right side facing up, I'm going to fold in half and stitch from one end like this to the other end. I have another piece of fabric cut out. These are in two places and the measurement is 8 inches by 2 inches width. Now, how did I get the measurement? I have my plastic headband and I measured this part of it, and what I have is 4 inches. Then the width of this part of the headband is about 1 inch, so I added 1 inch same allowance, which makes it 2, and so our measurement is 8 inches by 2 inches. Now the right side is facing up and I'm going to fold like this. I fold so as to have 4 inches. Then I am going to stitch on both sides. Same procedure will be repeated on the other piece. I have the long piece of fabric sewn right now and I'm going to turn the right side out. Needed to give this a good press. Now over to the small pieces of fabric. This is one of it. I have the opening right here and I'm going to turn the right side out from the folded part. Okay, from the folded part I make use of my tweezer to push the right side out. Having done that, we're back to the long piece of fabric and I measured. What I have is about 3.5 inches and I folded my measuring tape into two for us to get the half. So I have about 2 inches, not up to 2 inches exactly. So that's the center of my piece of fabric. Now I measured my plastic band and the width is about 1.5 inches. I'm going to place that measurement on the center part of my fabric. So this will be in such a way that the plastic headband is going to be sitting in between the fabric. I'm going to top stitch the fabric on 2 lines, making sure that it will accommodate the plastic headband. I hope you understand what I mean now. Okay, so this center is where the plastic headband is going to be sitting. So I have the two pieces of the small pieces of fabric and I'm going to fix that on my plastic band on both sides. As you can see, I used the hot glue to fix these pieces to the band permanently, and I'm just going to pass my headband into the piece of fabric through the center opening like that. Then I went ahead to do the finishing using my hot glue. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment, like, and share this video with others, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next tutorial. Bye.